Everyone loves Maine in the summer, but moving here permanently, it's a bit of a different story. If you're tired of just dreaming about the pine trees and the coast and you're ready to actually make the move, you need a plan that works. And as a local Maine realtor, I've helped countless families navigate our unique market, from the quirks of coastal zoning to the reality of Maine winters, so that you can skip the newbie mistakes and really start living the lifestyle that you're after. And so in this video, what I'm going to do is break down the 5-step plan that we've used to help literally hundreds of families move to the area. Before I jump in, my name's Cam Avery. I'm a local resident and real estate agent. If you're seriously considering moving to the area, hit that subscribe button and go right down in the description and make sure to download our free relocation guide, because chances are you're on step 1 of the process, which is the research phase. You're on Google, you're on YouTube, that's how you found this video right here, and you're wondering what it's going to be like to live in Maine. Maybe you're researching some towns, you're looking at population, and you're in that phase where you haven't made it here, but you need to get as much information as possible. And now, there's really 2 types of different people that are going to be moving here: those that have had experience with Maine before and those that haven't. And regardless of the situation that you're in, step number 2 is going to be actually planning a visit. And so whenever I talk to someone on the phone, specifically if they've never been to Maine before, I always recommend, listen, before you start packing up the U-Haul and moving your entire life, you need to come to Maine. Most people have this grandiose, exotic idea of what it's like to live in Maine, and the reality is that when you come here and drive through the towns and really understand the nature of our landscape, you're going to be able to decide for yourself if this is a place that you can actually see yourself living. I always recommend too, try coming in an uglier time of year. Most people, if they have been to Maine, for example, even myself, I used to vacation here in the summertime. Well, it's hard not to love Maine in the summertime. All the trees, everything's beautiful. There's a ton of people here. Come in like March when it's disgusting out and there's mud on the ground and it's not very pretty, and see what it's like then to really picture yourself here, because remember, you're planning on moving here. You're not just going to be vacationing here. And so step number 2 is going to be to plan that visit here, really get some sightseeing, potentially meet up with myself or someone on our team, and then make a game plan from there for step 3. So step 3 is going to be the game plan phase, where we actually make a strategy once you've visited. Hopefully at that point you've narrowed down some towns and locations that you want to be, and you're going to decide at that point, do I want to rent for a year and then buy? Do I want to make a purchase? You're really going to make a game plan to decide exactly how the pieces are going to come into place. And really, there's only a few options. If you decide to rent, you're going to start looking and actively pursuing rentals. If you decide to buy, you're going to go through the pre-qualification process for financing. We're going to discuss, do you have a house where you currently live? Does that need to be sold? You're going to start talking with realtors down where you live to start really putting the pieces in place so that you can line up with whatever your timeline is. Is it 3 months out, 6 months out, 12 months out? So step 3, you're going to make your game plan so that you can execute, which is step 4. Now, this is when you've hired a real estate agent. They're actively touring properties for you. You're putting in offers on properties so that you can actually make that purchase. This is where the rubber meets the road. Now, I want you to picture yourself in this position. Now, I know right now you're just researching. Can you see yourself actually being in position number 4? Because if you can't, then this is just a pipe dream, and you're just watching a YouTube video for the sake of watching a YouTube video. If you feel like you could see yourself in step 4, I'd highly encourage you to schedule a call with someone on our team so that we can start putting some of these pieces in place and line up with the final step, which is to actually pack up the U-Haul and move here. This is when reality is here. You've come, you've moved here, you're enjoying all of the beauty that Maine has to offer. Now, I'll tell you the truth, Maine is not a state for everybody, but the people that do move here for a reason, and that's because they want the quiet, they want the peace, they want nature, they want the beauty, and they want all that Maine has to offer. If you're seriously considering moving here, again, we'd love to connect with you, and I hope that you got something out of this video. If you're wondering why you may not want to move to Maine, I'd encourage you to watch this video right here.